You may have mold growing in your home. Central air conditioning systems many times have mold growing in part of their ductwork. This mold can cause allergy attacks, asthma, and possibly other health problems. Fortunately, it's easy to treat. U.S. Comfort, LA's best central air conditioning maintenance and repair company, offers mold removal and prevention work. Our expert technicians will come out and inspect your air conditioning system. If we find mold, we'll show you where it is. We'll explain why it's there. We'll offer choices to remove it and keep it from coming back. We're here to make sure your home or business is the right temperature and the right air quality. We've been here since 1982. Find out why we've been voted the best heating and cooling company in LA. Call anytime, 323-319-2060. We're here for you.